Hey guys, it's Kerry. In this video, witness intense predator versus prey encounters as venomous strikers, stealthy ambush hunters, and powerful constrictors fight to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Titanoboa. It is able to be bent into any shape at all except for the last 2.5 centimeters of the tail. The head is made of a hard plastic, whereas the body is very soft and malleable. Titanoboa is an extinct genus of giant snake that lived during the Middle and Late Paleocene. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And I love to read and will always reply to your comments. Milk snake. They are able to vibrate their tails to sound like a rattlesnake to scare away predators. Blue coral snake. It has the largest venom glands of any snake, which extend more than 1/4 of its body length. Amazon tree boa. They are ambush hunters that use their excellent vision to hunt during the day and their infrared receptors to hunt at night. They grow to about 2 meters in length. Emerald tree boa. They are non-venomous arboreal snakes. They use their prehensile tail to hold on to tree branches. The coral snake. Hidden beneath leaves and forest debris, this secretive hunter searches for lizards, frogs, and even other snakes. Unlike vipers that rely on quick strikes, coral snakes often bite and hold on, allowing their neurotoxic venom to flow into the prey. Their strong venom allows it to overpower prey larger than expected for its size, proving that even smaller snakes can become deadly hunters when evolution provides the perfect weapon. Small prey animals quickly become helpless against the snake's deadly toxins. Rattlesnake. The famous rattle serves as a warning system rather than a hunting tool. When threatened, the snake vibrates its tail rapidly, creating the chilling sound that warns predators to stay back. If ignored, the rattlesnake can strike with incredible speed and precision. Eastern diamondback snake. They are the largest rattlesnake in the United States. Their venom is lethal to humans. It is an excellent swimmer and can be found in salt water. They can live for over 20 years. The coral snake is small compared to giant constrictors, but its venom makes it extremely dangerous. Its vivid red, yellow and black bands warn predators that attacking could be deadly. The rough green snake survives through agility and precision. Its incredible camouflage is its greatest weapon, making it nearly invisible in trees and bushes. Birds, larger snakes and mammals all threaten the rough green snake, forcing it to remain alert at all times. If cornered, it may freeze completely or quickly disappear into dense vegetation. Unlike venomous snakes, the chained king snake kills through constriction. Once it grabs its prey, it wraps powerful coils around the victim and tightens with incredible force. Even dangerous snakes struggle helplessly as the king snake slowly cuts off circulation and breathing, ending the fight with ruthless efficiency. Its greatest survival advantage is its resistance to venom from many other snakes. This allows it to hunt predators that most animals avoid entirely. Battles between king snakes and venomous rivals can become violent, twisting struggles where only one snake survives. Cobra. They are venomous snakes that are known for their hoods and ability to strike with their hollow fangs. They are found in Africa, Asia, and Southeast Asia. They are long, smooth-scaled snakes, and they have larger scales on their heads. The pupils are round. The hollow fangs are located at the front of their upper jaw. They can grow to be up to 2 meters long. A cobra hatchling may be small, but it enters the world fully armed with deadly venom and survival instincts. From the moment it hatches, this tiny predator must fight to stay alive in a dangerous environment filled with birds, mongooses and larger snakes. The albino cobra, despite its red coloration, it remains a deadly venomous predator, capable of hunting rodents, birds, frogs and reptiles with ruthless efficiency. Its glowing eyes and expanded hood create an unforgettable warning display. They rely on stealth and explosive speed. They will build nests using leaves and branches to protect their eggs. Cobras will raise their body, spread their hood, and hiss loudly to scare off threats. The king cobra isn't just another cobra, it is in a league of its own. Growing over 5 meters, it holds the title of the longest venomous snake on Earth. When threatened, it can lift nearly a third of its body upright, forming an imposing towering figure that commands respect instantly. The green anaconda is a silent predator that rules the swamps and rivers of South America. Hidden beneath murky water and thick jungle plants, it waits motionless for the perfect moment to strike. Unlike venomous snakes, the anaconda relies on overwhelming muscle power, exploding from the water with terrifying speed to seize prey before it can react. Anacondas survive because they are masters of patience and ambush. They can remain underwater for long periods with only their eyes and nostrils exposed, making them invisible. Their camouflage blends perfectly with swamp vegetation, allowing them to attack with explosive surprise. Even dangerous prey like caimans can be dragged into deadly underwater wrestling matches. The weight of Titanoboa was determined by comparing it to the extant green anaconda and southern rock python, resulting in a weight of over 1,000 kilograms. This size far exceeds any modern-day snakes. When attacking, the black mamba delivers multiple rapid bites loaded with powerful neurotoxic venom. The venom attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis. Survival in the African wilderness demands constant awareness. The red-bellied black snake is one of Australia's most striking predators, recognised by its glossy black scales and deep crimson belly. It's found near swamps, rivers and wetlands. It is venomous. The brown snake is one of Australia's fastest and most venomous predators. Slim, alert and incredibly aggressive when threatened. It hunts rodents, lizards and frogs across grasslands and farmland. Its speed allows it to chase prey with terrifying efficiency. Cobra. Since they don't have teeth, they actually eat their prey whole. Unlike other cobras, the king cobra specializes in eating other snakes, including venomous species like kraits and other cobras. Green tree python? They are arboreal, spending most of their time up in the trees. They live in tropical forests in Australasia. The corn snake is a fast and agile constrictor, famous for its vivid orange and red patterns. Its camouflage allows it to blend perfectly into fallen leaves and dry vegetation. Corn snakes are excellent climbers, allowing them to raid birds' nests high above the ground. Buried almost completely beneath the sand, the sidewinder explodes upward with a venomous strike that leaves prey little chance of escape. Its venom rapidly weakens the victim, allowing the snake to track and consume the struggling animal before scavengers arrive in the unforgiving desert heat. The rattlesnake's venom begins destroying tissue and disrupting blood circulation almost immediately. Wounded prey may stagger away briefly before collapsing, allowing the rattlesnake to track the victim using scent trails. This deadly strategy reduces the risk of injury during violent struggles with desperate prey animals. The boa constrictor is a silent ambush predator that relies on stealth and raw muscle power. The attack is explosive. The boa strikes with curved teeth that hook deeply into prey before powerful coils wrap around the victim's body. Each breath tightens the snake's grip further, slowly exhausting the prey until the struggle finally stops. They are able to swallow prey whole using flexible jaws. Boa constrictors survive because they conserve energy and strike only when success is likely. Their camouflage makes them nearly invisible in dense jungle environments, and their slow movements prevent detection. Large predators may attack young boas, and the black mamba has evolved into a master of intimidation. When threatened, it raises the front of its body high off the ground, revealing the dark interior of its mouth. Titanoboa died out around 58 to 60 million years ago, so its dominance was fairly brief in geological terms. Scientists aren't quite sure, but believe that climate change meant these large reptiles could not maintain their metabolism. Basilisk is known as the king of serpents, a creature so feared that even legends treat it with caution. The basilisk wasn't just dangerous, it was unnaturally lethal. In medieval myth, simply being near one meant instant death. 2 baby snakes. The coral snake is stunning. The cobra is one of the world's most feared snakes, combining deadly venom with an unforgettable intimidation display. When threatened, it rises high above the ground, spreads its hood wide, and stares directly at enemies with chilling focus. Green tree snake? They are non-venomous, large-eyed, and diurnal. During the hunt, the albino Burmese python uses heat-sensitive pits and stealth to locate prey in darkness or dense vegetation. Once close enough, it launches forward with explosive force, locking curved teeth into flesh before wrapping massive coils around the victim. Death is imminent. Unlike highly aggressive predators, the ball python often relies on camouflage and hiding to survive. If threatened, it curls tightly into a defensive ball with its head protected at the center. This behavior gives the species its name. This defense helps protect it from predators in the wild. They are native to Africa. When the python attacks, its curved teeth lock into the victim as powerful coils wrap around the prey's body. The attack is silent, efficient, and incredibly powerful for a snake of its size. Survival depends on energy conservation and precise hunting. A successful meal may sustain the python for weeks, allowing it to remain hidden and to avoid unnecessary risks. That was an incredible look into the dangerous lives of some of the world's most fascinating snakes, from venomous ambush hunters to giant constrictors capable of overpowering massive prey. Every species has evolved unique ways to fight, hunt, and survive in the wild. Nature is brutal, unpredictable, and absolutely incredible. Which snake shocked you the most? Was it the crushing power of the anaconda, the deadly speed of the black mamba, or the terrifying strike of the cobra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed these intense predator versus prey battles, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another wild encounter. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the wild, survival belongs to the fastest, strongest, and deadliest hunters of all.